Perfect. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the celebration of brilliance. And now it's time to begin the most awaited segment of the evening, the BEAT 2025 Awards Ceremony. We open the celebration of excellence with the highest honor of the night, the Lifetime Achievement Awards, dedicated to those who have not only led with brilliance but have transferred the very pulse of Indian cardiology. The first Lifetime Achievement in Interventional Cardiology and Innovation goes to Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Dr. Ashok Seth.
And before we invite him on stage, sir, we want to speak a little about you.
For over 4 decades, Dr. Seth has been a beacon of innovation in interventional cardiology. He has pioneered in groundbreaking angioplasty techniques across India, Asia Pacific. He has done over 25,000 angioplasties and 60,000 angiographies. His work has literally touched and saved lives by thousands. His contribution have earned him India's highest civilian award, the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan, and the Dr. B.C. Roy National Award, among more than 100 of global recognition. A teacher, an innovator, a mentor to hundreds, and a visionary who put Indian cardiology on the world map. Dr. Seth's journey is one of the relentless pursuit of boundless impact. May I now request Dr. Ashok Seth to please come forward and accept the Lifetime Achievement Award in Interventional Cardiology and Innovation.
And a man of his stature, ladies and gentlemen, truly deserves a standing ovation, I believe. It is a true mentor, a leader, a thought leader, simply a man that gives us immense honor and pleasure as we use this opportunity on this stage to thank him for his wonderful contribution to the society and, of course, being a leader that he is of. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Saab, we cannot let you go, sir, without some humble words from you.
Thank you very much, and thank you for all your love, affection. Whenever one receives an award, obviously these are memorable moments, but the memorable moments are actually what has happened over the last 40 years. Every bit of it has just been a fortune. जब लोग कहते हैं ना कि कैसे पहुंचे इस जगह पे, तो हमेशा यही लगता है कि ये तो एक जर्नी थी, अभी भी वहां नहीं पहुंचे जिस जर्नी को हमने स्टार्ट किया था. अभी भी बहुत कुछ करना है. These awards continue. They're only a part of a reflection process कि लोग आपको appreciate करते हैं. If I was to say कि हम medical profession में कोई कहता है celebrity बन गए, कोई कहता है कि जी बड़े successful बन गए. हम कहते हैं कि जी successful तो इतना ही बने कि luckily we are in a profession that every day goes by in receiving blessings of numerous patients, of numerous relatives. इतनी दुआएं मिलती हैं just by doing your own work. Nothing extra. अस्पताल जाते हैं, patient की सेवा करते हैं, घर आते हैं. That was we were destined to, and luckily we are in a profession that gives us the maximum blessings. So let's just continue our commitment. क्या बात ही क्या है? We need to have the 5 C's I keep saying. Commitment की वजह से ही तो घुसे थे medical fraternity में, medicine में घुसे थे commitment की वजह से. और care और compassion is anyway our job. और बाद में साथ में competence आ गई और उसके साथ अपनी conscience के साथ अगर काम किया, तो we've completed the motive of why we became doctors. With those words, thank you. And thank you once again for all the affection and all the appreciation. I can see in this audience numerous of my own fellows who I taught, trained over the years. Thank you. Thank you for all.
And thank you, sir, for your 5C mantra that you've presented to us.
Thank you, sir. It's an honor having you here.